Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo ke Menteri Bedai Kemi Ikatanat ke Kod ke Kia ke Sarkar Jilla kalau pentip bakalat pulih doktor kata ke kerdan Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery MBBS yaki samla lapan kre ha University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM Riboy District Mentau Snam. Haba pentip ya kene ke Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo klaong balapan kre saupo seat ha kete ke jaka pulih ha keba arpo seat an bay da ke Sarkar Jilla kat ba arpo seat pat ki biyok pulih kin siu shiteng ke jinglut. Ka Dr. Mazel Amprin kala penpau banaki kendai pulai teli ki seed menta an penkiu syu ya kitai sau pho seed. Kalau ong ru baka jella kadang yat chat hakaban penbet penbiang ya Ketura Medical College House number 1.
You must have seen that the Honorable Chief Minister of our state, Mr. Conrad Sangmanji, has already announced that following his interaction with the USTM Institute and congratulating them on their achievement of the start of the first medical college in the state of Meghalaya, run by them in their institute. We are also very happy to get this information today that 40 additional seats for medical studies now becomes open to the students of Meghalaya interested in pursuing MBBS seats. 20 of those seats will be fully scholarshiped. 20 of the seats will be under full scholarship. 20 of the seats will also be under half payment of fees. Altogether, 40 seats. We thank the USTM and we hope that the students of the state of Meghalaya will benefit greatly from this great opportunity that has come. The session of 24-25 is starting, and that is the best thing that has happened. We will have a separate advertisement for this because these seats have come now only. We will inform citizens accordingly through proper channel and advertisements in the next few days to come. Yeah. So altogether, we were allotted 93 seats from the government of Meghalaya, government of India, and now with the USTM, you please plus 40 seats. 20 under scholarship, full scholarship, and 20 after under half scholarship. The last that I visited the institute, I am of the opinion that they are prepared. Everything, all the infrastructure for year 1, 2 and 3 as per the requirement of the NMC. I think they have already constructed. You will not get NOC if you don't have all the pre-required requirements for the start of medical college. We are still processing that. We have not been able to come to a complete procedure, but it is under process.
So MOU will be signed?
Yes, we are awaiting for the Honorable Chief Minister to give us further instructions on the matter.
So next year the classes will be starting?
This year. There is no delay of medical college. Do not say that. We had told you that we are targeting one institute in 24-25. Now it has fructified. We have said that the second, hopefully, if everything goes right, will start in the session of 25-26, and the Ketura Medical College, because of various difficulties, we are hoping that will also start shortly, 27-28 session. Now, if you have to ask me why are they doing this, obviously,
the same must have required. Why?
We are already in a process of undertaking and undersigning with the institute to handhold the state of Meghalaya in institution of medical college. There are many components to the proposed signatory of the MOU. So obviously when MOUs are signed, there is commitment that is also indicated. So question of why are we signing it with them does not arise. It is all part of the proposed signatory of the MOU. That component will be responded to by the Honorable Chief Minister, and any MOU signed by Government of Meghalaya obviously will receive the necessary clearances from whichever department concerned, or maybe even the cabinet. I'm not sure, but we have discussed this at the cabinet and we were mulling over it. But most importantly, the NOC from NMC had to be first procured. They have already done that part. So now we await the guidance of the Honorable Chief Minister on the signing of this MOU.
Likely when is
Let the Honorable CM come and he will give you a full disclosure of what conversation he had, discussion he had. So now if 40 seats are coming, seats are coming, then we have to be told, and we have been told. This has been an ongoing discussion for so long. But the institute concerned has to first get its clearances. No? So now they have gotten those clearances. Conversations, discussions will continue.
Kumno ba Raju?
Kumne kong, ale.
Kumno ki kam ki jam baro.
Hoi ki biang lor.
Ai kira shon jong menta ubnai.
Hoi ta.
Ba? Ukau iu unia.
Kong undi udai ukau plus F, ukau fortified.
Ukau 45? Henry ba? Ukau 45 ba uto ba ai barabor uya pher ayu. Uto ukau ba ai barabor umdei ubabha.
Kong, kini ki jingbam ki bangi juba man kasngi, ki kta ya kakot ka khaya ka jongi. Manta ngi dei ban sngau tu hi ba ki jingbam ki bangi bam ki long ni em ki batei ya kamet ka phat jongi. Ladangi bam ki jingbam ki bomtei ya kamet ka phat jongi. Ila banyo ya ka jingpang dunasnam bat ka jingbria ki kman.
Henry ba uni ukau 45 udan jinga dei kumno.
Yo iya ki jingtei ya kamet ka phat ka jongi. Nak jingbam ka bangi bam man la kasngi kum ka iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A bat vitamin D. Namar ke jingduna jungkine ngengat hagi babun ki jajingpa ka sarkar ka persangkat bala banwanra ya ka koj ka khia. Ka FSSAI ka batha bau khau ata kamlu kadut bat ke ampnyang bam. Ki dei bandon ya ke jingbam ki bantei ya kamet. Knang baha ka shisngi ngila banyo laipo hadu sanpo persen kini ki jingbam bantei ya kamet. But lai kerteng yaki 45 ila banitu yaki da ka sharp plus F aki.
Ba uni ujing bam plus F pat ngila ban yo ne ai.
Nang ni kong nagani ka daw ka sarkar kalapan mi yaki skim ICDS, MDM, PDS kabha na ka banta upaj ba. Ka sarkar mi kalamang kerpang ha ka jingi trelang bat kidukan da ka ba kilapha da ukhau ba bhatam na ka banta ki khna bat kilong kimi ki ba armen. Dei na kata daw patang da uni ujat khau ba bhatam ban sam shabaro kilong yeng. Nang ni shakman. Tang da ukhau 45.
Ba fikrannya ka jing shisha.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.